In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add views to projects in ClickUp. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your account, finding the views area, adding the exact view you need, and exploring it so your workspace shows information the way you want. Start by opening your ClickUp account and heading to the project or list where you want to work. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the right project so the view you add appears in the place you expect. Once you're inside that project, look toward the top of the task area for the section where existing views are displayed. This is where you'll usually see views like list or board, and it's also where you'll add new ones. Now, locate the Add View option. It's typically a button labeled Add View or a plus icon near your current views. Click it and a panel or menu will open with a list of view types you can add. This is where you choose the specific view that best fits how you want to see your tasks. For example, choose List if you like a spreadsheet-style layout with tasks in rows and columns. Pick Board if you prefer a drag-and-drop workflow with tasks organized in columns, perfect for stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Calendar is great when dates drive your work and you want to see tasks laid out across days or weeks. Gantt or Timeline is ideal for scheduling and dependencies, especially when you're mapping durations and understanding how tasks connect. Table gives you a data-heavy grid with lots of fields visible at once. Once you've selected the view, it will be added to your project's view bar. Take a moment to explore it. Scroll through your tasks to see how they appear in this layout. Try adjusting basic controls like changing the time range on Calendar or Gantt, or dragging tasks between columns on Board. Experiment with simple filters or sorting so you can focus on the tasks that matter most, such as those assigned to you or due this week. If the view supports grouping or columns, try switching those settings to see different perspectives on the same information. The goal is to make the view work for you without adding complexity. That's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, go to the Views area within your project, click Add View, pick the layout that matches your workflow, and then explore it so it becomes genuinely useful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your projects with views that make your work clearer and faster.